Today's video is about a classic Pfauter gear hobber. Beautiful, performant and in perfect conditions. We almost want to keep it for ourselves, but it's available for you and your company. This gear hobbing machine has been designed for the processing of gears and helical gears with a wide range of modules from 4 to 8 max. It has a work table with central distance ranging from 30 up to 300 millimeters. Table bore had 85 millimeters. The machine is in excellent working condition, equipped for gear cutting and complete set of change gears, arbors and manuals. This machine uses mechanical linear displacement through the center of an adjustable chuck system. The spindle housing is supported on 2 linear ball bearing assemblies that allow high accuracy as well as rigidity. The hobbing machine P400 is a low-cost model in combination with state-of-the-art technology, developed to meet the specific needs of companies that do not require large volumes, but they want a high-performance and precision machine. Weight of the machine is 7,000 kilograms and for now is in our Italian branch in Ferrara, but soon it will be transferred in the Indian branches. We hope you enjoy our video and found it useful. Let us know in the comments, and leave a like if you think that the video deserves it. Consider subscribing to our channel if you want more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please send us a message. Check the website, Facebook and Instagram to get in touch with us. We appreciate your feedback.